Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys button navigation setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you set guys your three button navigation. As you can see guys in my Realme phone device guys I don't have this button. So guys you also don't have this button, and guys you don't like this setting guys, you want to off this setting, and guys you want to set guys your three button navigation. So guys how can you set your three button navigation, and guys how can you use three button navigation setting in this video guys I will show you. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to set your three button navigation. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your system settings. So guys tap here. Guys click on system navigation, and guys you can see your button settings. So guys we will click here to set, and guys you can see you have this three button navigation. So guys you can use without any problem your phone with this three button navigation: back button, home button, close app button. So I hope friends you have understood how to set three button navigation. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.